Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that has been requested over and over and over again, and that is my room tour. So I moved in about 2 months ago and I showed you guys my empty apartment tour. And ever since then, I get comments and I get DMs asking me to do a room tour. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. Actually, I also get a lot of comments asking for an apartment tour, but as of right now, we don't have a couch, we don't have really anything in the living room right now. It's like completely empty. It's just filled with our like boxes and stuff, and we've been in here for 2 months. So not going to be doing an apartment tour, but I thought doing a room tour is going to be a little bit boring and a little bit cliche because I feel like every single person and their mother has done a room tour on their YouTube channel. So I am going to be spicing things up just a little bit by adding little like life hacks and like little things that I do in my room to not only make it cleaner, but also just like to keep me sane, you know? So before we go ahead and hop right in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll even show you how to do it. All you do is you take your little mouse all the way down to this button here, click it, and don't forget to turn on the bell as well so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. And it is that simple. That's all you have to do. So thank you if you subscribed, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. Like helium. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. So this is what my room looks like from the outside, and then you walk in, and I'm gonna start at the door because that's probably just the easiest. So starting at my door, I always have my purse, well actually both of my purses right here beside the door. I have my shoes all here. It just makes everything so much more organized when it's like right there, easy to grab. And then right above it, I have my calendar, and here I usually post all of like my YouTube videos here just so I can keep track of it myself. Coming over here, I have 2 closets. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that one first. Inside of this closet, obviously tons and tons of clothes. So yeah, so I just have everything here. Which brings me to my very first life hack. So we all own sweaters and we all know about that horrible hanger mark. They are so annoying, and it basically, the hanger just like indents into your shirt and they are so hard to get out. So I figured out a little bit of a life hack to sort of avoid hanger marks. So take your sweater and fold it just like this, right in half, and then take your hanger and put it through, like in between, basically put the hanger where the armpit would be and fold it over. So I hang all of my sweaters just like this, and then that way there's never any hanger marks. Another life hack is if you can get one of these, it is just like, it like hooks up here, and then down here it has like a whole nother rack. So it's basically as if I have a second shelf, but I don't. It just gives you so much more room in your closet. 10 out of 10 would strongly recommend, if you are struggling with closet space, I would definitely recommend to get one of those. But that's about it for this closet. Moving over to this one, actually in between I have this cute little thing. It says, let's sleep in, because I love eyelashes. It's kind of like my thing. Once you open up this closet, this is what you see. So here I have my jeans, my leggings, my bras. I have like socks and underwear in there. Here I have just some t-shirts here. Down here I have all of like my sweatpants, my comfy clothes. I have like some hoodies, some running shorts in here. And then in my bottom one, it's just a bunch of like basically junk, to be honest. Storage bins have been like my saving grace. So here is another life hack for you. If you know you have too much stuff and not enough space, I would definitely recommend getting storage bins. They're cute, you can put them right on top of your dresser, and it really just helps you stay organized. You can, you know, literally line the top of your closet with them if you have that much stuff. For me, I think 3 is just enough for me. I have 2 of them that have jeans and leggings in them, and then I have another one that is for like my bras and my sports bras. So not only are they super, super cute, but they also just keep me so incredibly organized.
Up here, same. It's just basically a bunch of storage. I have like some craft stuff up here. Back here, it's the same thing. It's just storage. So we don't need to go into that. It's a little bit of a mess there.
The next life hack that I have for you is to pick up 10 items right before you go to bed. So 10 items really doesn't sound like that much, but when you're looking at a gigantically messy room, it could be very overwhelming and you could think like, oh my gosh, it's gonna take me 2 hours to clean my entire room. But if you just pick up 10 items every single time you go to bed, your room is most likely gonna be clean like 24/7.
So after my closets, you'll see I have a full-length mirror up here. If you follow me on Instagram, which you definitely should. Wow, that was a good plug. I'm proud of myself. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely do that because I do usually take a lot of my Instagram stories right here in front of this mirror. So in case you're ever curious on where I'm doing my Insta story, it's here. Over here, I just have some knickknacks, nothing too special. This is actually one of my favorite quotes. It says, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working on it. And it's really a quote that I live by. My brother actually made this for me and I love it. And then over here is a picture of me and my friend Teresa. So I got this nightstand. This is actually from Wayfair. I got this like a super long time ago, but I love the handles here. I think that they're so cute. And then for my bedding, I actually got this tray. This is from TJ Maxx. My blanket and the rest of my bedding is all from TJ Maxx. The only exceptions are I got my pillowcase over there from Target, and the pink pillows are from Hobby Lobby. I believe I got my headboard from IKEA, I want to say. I think IKEA.
This really isn't a life hack, but as I mentioned before, the more stuff you have, the more cluttered your room is going to be. So I see these beauty gurus that just have things everywhere. They have tons and tons of knickknacks and things just everywhere, and I personally cannot even imagine how messy my room would be if that was my room. So I would recommend every 2 months to just go on a purge. Throw away stuff that you haven't used or donate it or give it to. I know for me, there's a girl that went to my high school. She's freaking amazing. I'm not gonna name her because I don't know if that's like considered embarrassing, but she's amazing. So anytime I give away my clothes, it always goes to her. So try to find a person to donate your clothes to, or you know, go to the Salvation Army, or if you just think it's like absolute junk, just throw it out. Because the less you have, the less cluttered your room is gonna be. And I actually think that's a major reason why my room has not been as messy. Because if I haven't worn it, or I don't see myself wearing it, or if a company sent it to me and I really don't see myself using it, I'll just give it to friends. Because the less stuff you have in your room, the less messy your room is going to be.
So above my bed, I have these paintings here. They're actually from Desenio, which I got introduced to them from Janine Amapola, and I really like the way that they look, and I feel like they just basically like complete the whole, you know, complete my whole bedroom. I have a matching nightstand here. I just have like, I have my sound machine that I sleep with every single night. I have my Bible and then my church notes over here. Once again, inside of the drawers is just like complete like trash. Like it's very unorganized in there.
Which brings me to my next life hack. If you are like me, and unfortunately, I'm not proud of it, but I am a very messy soul. I don't know what to do. I am messy all the time. I can't control it, so you might as well just learn to deal with it. So I have 2 trash cans in my bedroom, and then I actually have 2 in my bathroom as well. Just so everywhere I go, there's always a trash can accessible, so that, you know, like I'm not throwing anything on the floor, things aren't, you know, getting built up on my desk. So I have 1 by my bed and I have 1 by my desk, and then that just, you know, anytime I need to throw anything away, there's always a trash can.
Because this is like kind of like such like a tight area, whenever I'm not using my computer, I will just tuck my chair over here. It just makes everything so much easier, and it makes the walkway like look a lot larger than it actually is. On my desk, I have a picture of me and 2 friends over here, and yeah, in my drawers, I don't have anything too special in them. Just like notebooks. Yeah, more notebooks and things like that. So this is the computer that I edit all of my videos on. I love an iMac, and also if you're ever thinking of starting a YouTube channel, I would definitely recommend an iMac. And then over here I just have some pencils. I have my microphone that I use for voiceovers, and that's about it for my room. I think I pretty much showed you everything.
And that was it for my room tour and the life hack. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. I know I sure did. This actually has been one of my favorite videos that I filmed in a really long time, so I hope that you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I actually worked really hard on this video, so it would mean a lot to me if you gave it a big thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button because really good content, really exciting stuff is going to be coming up in the future. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I would love to take this walk on YouTube with you. And as for right now, I will see you guys later. Bye.